Hi, I'm Sheen, and in the next minute and a half, you're going to learn how to make skillet biscuits, either in your camper or at home. They're very easy to make, and it just requires 3 ingredients: a couple of tablespoons of butter, canned biscuits, and your favorite jelly. While your skillet is heating, we're going to take the biscuits and we're going to pull them apart into halves. By cooking them in halves, they get crispy on the outside and they cook faster. After dropping butter onto the hot skillet, we're going to lift the skillet off the flame and just rotate the butter around so we lightly coat the pan, and we'll have a little excess for dredging the biscuits. Now we're going to lightly coat one side of the biscuit with the melted butter, and then we're going to turn the buttered side facing upwards, and then we're going to repeat with the remaining biscuits until we fill our pan. Once all of your biscuits are in the skillet, you'll want to reduce the heat so that your biscuits will take some time to cook and they'll rise. If you want a crispier biscuit, keep the heat on high for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then reduce the heat, and that'll add a crispy texture. After cooking, remove from heat, add jelly, and enjoy, because they are quite delicious. Hope you enjoyed the video and that you're on your way to making some skillet biscuits soon. In the meantime, subscribe below to our channel. We have more quick tip videos on the way about RVs, cooking, and photography. Happy cooking!